Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sunny Day Carousel. For your safety, all loose articles, including hats, towels, and cameras, are not permitted. Riders accompanying a child may not stand on the outside or inside edge of the carousel platform. If riding a horse, please keep your safety belt securely fastened, sit upright, hold on to the pole, and rest your feet on the steps. Please, only one rider per horse. Side saddle riding is not permitted.
This ride is really special. They put my name on it, you know. Are you ready to go around on the Sunny Day Carousel?
The carousel is about to start. Do not attempt to change seats or walk on the ride platform while the ride is in motion.
I think I'm gonna do that.
Thank you, and enjoy your ride.
I'm gonna do it.
Wave to everybody!
And we're off.
Say hello to everyone out there! This is fun! It's fun going around in a circle! Hey, look at you! You're a big kid now! We saw before. Oh, I get it.
Please remain still until the carousel comes to a complete stop. Thank you for riding the Sunny Day Carousel and enjoy the rest of your day at Sesame Place.
That was probably my favorite ride.
Oh, I don't know how to get off. Oh my gosh.
I sure hope you'll come back.